Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing well. Let's practice Yoga Nidra. Make sure your room is dark and no one disturbs you for the next 15 to 20 minutes. Cover yourself with a blanket if you feel like, and feel free to place a blanket under your head or a bolster under your knees. Prepare yourself. Check the temperature of the room you're in. Whatever you need to feel very comfortable and at ease for this practice. When you're ready, lie down on your back. You're about to practice Yoga Nidra, a deep and relaxing meditation experience that will allow you to let go of distractions and worries and connect with your deeper self. Please lie down on your back and relax in a comfortable position, preferably on the floor, with your palms facing up and your feet falling gently out to the side. Or feel free to bend your legs if that's more comfortable for you. Position your head comfortably with your head and neck in a neutral position. Now please soften and close your eyes and allow your body to slowly relax and settle into this posture. Come to a place of stillness and try to remain still throughout the practice. If you notice discomfort anywhere in your body at any time, first observe. If it continues to bother you, make any necessary adjustment and then come back to a place of stillness as soon as possible. Take a deep breath through your nose, breathe in. And as you exhale, let go of all the worries and distracting thoughts. Allow your mind to relax completely. Follow the sound of my voice throughout the practice, remaining awake and aware. Now allow the sound and the easy rhythm of your breath to further relax your body. Find a smooth flow of breath from your toe to your head. Observe any surrounding sounds outside and inside the room. Noticing them without finding any of them disturbing. Feel awareness of your body from the crown of your head to the tip of your toes. Become aware that you are going to practice Yoga Nidra. Say to yourself, I am aware and I am going to practice Yoga Nidra. Repeat this to yourself again. I am going to practice Yoga Nidra. I am going to practice Yoga Nidra. The practice of Yoga Nidra begins now. We will begin a rotation of consciousness experience. You will transfer your awareness swiftly to different parts of your physical body while remaining still. Allow your mind to quickly transition from part to part. Please stay alert, but do not strain to follow what I am saying. This should be a relaxing journey through the different parts of your body. Think of the part of the body or see it in your mind's eye, whichever you find easier. But make sure not to actually move the part of your body being mentioned. Become aware of right foot, your right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, your ankle, your heel, your sole of the right foot, your top of the right foot, your calf muscles, your knees, your knee joint, your right thigh, your whole lower right leg and your entire right leg. being aware of the whole of the right leg now. Now become aware of the left foot, big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, fifth toe, your ankle, your heel, sole of the left foot, top of the left foot, calf muscles, your knees, your knee joint, your whole lower leg, left thigh, your entire left leg, being aware of the whole of the left leg. Now being aware of both the legs together. Now become aware of your waist, your hips, your hip socket, your pelvis, pelvic floor muscles, lower abdomen, your navel, your right side of the chest, your left side of the chest, middle of the chest, your heart rate. Observe how your heart is beating now. Relax your heart rate. Become aware of your right hand. Now draw your awareness to the right hand thumb, your second finger, your third finger, fourth, and your fifth finger. Your right palm, back of the hand, your right wrist, your forearm, your elbow, your upper right arm, right shoulder, right armpit. Now become aware of your left hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth, and your fifth finger. Your palm, your back of the hand, your left wrist, left forearm, left elbow, upper arm, left shoulder, armpit. Now become aware of your right side and your left side of the body. Move on to the back of your body, becoming aware of the right shoulder blade, left shoulder blade, the right side of your hip and the left side of your hip, the whole of your spine and back together. Now drawing your awareness to your throat, to your neck, to your chin, to your right cheek, to your left cheek, to your right nostril, to your left nostril, to your upper lip, to your lower lip. Relax your jaw. Allow your tongue to hang in the back of your mouth and begin to notice and feel your breath. Draw your awareness to the right eyebrow and the left eyebrow, the center point between your eyebrow, your right eye and the eyelid, your left eye and the eyelid. Observe the space between your eyebrows. Observe if you have any frown lines on your forehead. Draw your awareness to the top of your head, Then move to your right temple and the left temple. Draw your awareness to the whole back of the body and the whole front of the body. Feel the whole body together on the floor, remaining awake and aware. Feel your whole physical body resting, completely still and relaxed, softening and sinking. Visualize your whole body relaxed and resting on the earth. Feel the energy of the earth. Taking in everything positive. Now return your awareness to your breath. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest, your rib cage, and your abdomen. With each slow breath, you take in and out through your nose. Feel the nourishing energy of the breath flowing through you. Visualize the front of your body and the space between your navel and throat. Begin to visualize your breath rising from your navel to your throat with each inhale and slowly descending with each exhale. Let's take a few belly breaths. Breathing in through your nose, to your throat, to your chest. Expand your belly. Breathing out through your nose, gently taking your belly in. Breathe out slower and longer. Continue breathing in through your nose to your chest, to your belly. Let your belly rise. Breathe out through your nose. Take your belly in. Exhale longer and slower. Take few at your own pace. Just breathing in through your nose. Let your belly rise. And breathe out through your nose. Take your belly in. Continue doing this at your own pace. Take one more. Breathing in through your nose, expand your belly. Breathing out through your nose, take your belly in. Now return your attention to the rhythm and soft sound of your natural breath. Feeling its flow in and out of the nostrils. As you maintain your awareness of your slow, easy breath, develop your awareness of your state of physical relaxation. Notice your whole body resting on the floor. Notice the parts of your body that are touching the floor. Your head, your upper back, your elbows and hands, your hips, your calves, and your heels. Begin to notice sounds outside the room. Notice sounds inside the room. Visualize the floor, the windows, the walls, and the ceilings in the room where you are lying. Slowly start to do some slow movements. Moving your toes, your fingers, gently. Start to do larger movements. Maybe hug your knees. gently swinging side to side. Any stretch you wish to take, please feel free to do so. Now slowly open your eyes. Roll over onto your right side and take at least 5 deep breaths before slowly making your way back into a seated position. The practice of Yoga Nidra is now complete. Thank you so much for joining me for this practice. I hope to practice with you again. Namaste.